Have you ever wondered how your daily habits might impact your health, especially as you age? In today's video, we're diving into a topic that's often overlooked but incredibly important for men over 50. The connection between prostate health, sexuality, and overall well-being. If you are not subscribed, subscribe and activate the notification bell to avoid missing any videos. Your support means a lot to me. And if you enjoyed this video, you can help me continue spreading the valuable lessons by liking and sharing it. Masturbation, or self-stimulation, is far more than a physical act. It is a deeply personal and profoundly human experience that plays an essential role in our overall well-being. It is a natural and healthy practice that becomes even more significant as we age and strive to maintain a fulfilling connection with our bodies. Often overlooked or misunderstood, self-stimulation is a beautiful expression of self-love and self-awareness, reminding us that intimacy doesn't always require another person. It begins within us. For older adults especially, this practice can be an incredible source of comfort, joy, and health benefits, both physical and emotional. From a psychological standpoint, self-stimulation allows us to reconnect with our bodies in ways that foster understanding, acceptance, and care. As we grow older, it's common to experience changes in how we perceive ourselves, especially when it comes to our physical appearance or sexual abilities. Self-exploration, in this context, is empowering. It encourages us to embrace our evolving bodies and recognize that they remain capable of pleasure and intimacy. This sense of connection can help alleviate stress and anxiety, as the hormones released during self-stimulation, such as dopamine and oxytocin, are powerful natural mood boosters. These moments of private intimacy create a space where we can feel safe, comforted, and fulfilled, even when life feels challenging. For many older adults, this practice becomes a lifeline in combating loneliness and isolation. It's no secret that as we age, social connections can dwindle due to various circumstances, whether it's retirement, losing a partner, or shifts in family dynamics. Masturbation offers a way to nurture an intimate relationship with oneself, providing physical pleasure and emotional solace. It's a quiet reminder that we can still give and receive love, even if it comes from within. This self-generated intimacy is a powerful antidote to the stigma that often surrounds aging and sexuality, challenging the idea that desire or pleasure diminishes as the years go by. The physical benefits of self-stimulation are equally profound. Scientific research in the field of sexology underscores its importance for maintaining a healthy body. For older adults, regular self-stimulation helps promote a positive self-image and reinforces the perception of one's sexuality as vibrant and intact. This is particularly important for men, as it plays a critical role in sustaining proper blood flow and oxygenation in the genital area. These physiological benefits are not merely about pleasure. They're about preserving function and preventing potential health issues. Stimulating the area ensures that tissues remain healthy and active, which can help ward off certain conditions that might otherwise arise due to a lack of activity. In addition to these general health benefits, self-stimulation can also serve as a preventative measure against sexual dysfunctions, such as erectile dysfunction. This common concern among older men can be distressing, often leading to a decline in confidence and self-esteem. However, regular and mindful sexual activity can preserve the sensitivity and functionality of sexual tissues, helping to maintain the ability to experience intimacy and pleasure. It's remarkable how such a simple, natural act can have such profound effects on a person's overall quality of life. From a medical perspective, the evidence supporting self-stimulation is compelling. Studies suggest that frequent ejaculation may significantly benefit prostate health, particularly in men over 50. Research conducted by leading universities has observed that men who ejaculate regularly have a lower risk of developing severe prostate problems. The reasoning is both simple and fascinating. Ejaculation helps reduce the buildup of prostate fluids, which, if left unchecked, can lead to inflammation, infections, or even more serious conditions. For men without a sexual partner, self-stimulation becomes an empowering way to take control of their health. It is a reminder that taking care of oneself is not just a necessity, it's an act of self-respect. There's something deeply liberating about reclaiming one's sexuality at any age, especially in a society that often stigmatizes or overlooks the desires and needs of older adults. Masturbation is not a subject to be shamed or dismissed. It is a natural part of life that holds incredible value for physical, emotional, and psychological health. Embracing this practice is a celebration of one's humanity, a declaration that the capacity for pleasure, intimacy, and connection is not bound by age, but rather enhanced by experience. It's important to recognize the emotional depth that comes with this practice. Self-stimulation is not just about physical pleasure. It's about taking time to honor your body, acknowledge your needs, and provide yourself with care and attention. It's an intimate form of self-communication that says, I see you, I value you, and you are deserving of this joy. These moments remind us that our bodies are remarkable, not just for their ability to give us life, but for their capacity to bring us happiness and fulfillment. Ultimately, masturbation is about so much more than the act itself. It's about self-discovery, acceptance, and maintaining a healthy connection with ourselves. It's a vital part of what it means to be human, a source of healing and connection that evolves as we do. To embrace it is to embrace life itself, celebrating the beauty and resilience of our bodies, our minds, and our spirits at every stage of the journey. The connection between ejaculation and prostate health has been further supported by studies in urology, which suggest that older men who ejaculate 2 to 3 times a week experience fewer urinary discomforts commonly associated with prostate enlargement. This intriguing finding highlights the role of ejaculation in releasing tension within the prostate gland and expelling compounds that might otherwise accumulate and contribute to discomfort. While this practice is certainly beneficial in promoting prostate health, it is important to emphasize that masturbation is not a standalone cure for prostate-related issues. Instead, it should be viewed as a complementary measure that supports a comprehensive approach to overall health and well-being. To maximize these benefits, it's crucial to integrate self-stimulation into a broader lifestyle that includes healthy habits. For example, maintaining a balanced diet rich in nutrients, keeping an optimal body weight, and engaging in regular physical activity are all foundational practices that enhance prostate health. Specific exercises, such as Kegel exercises, can also play a pivotal role in strengthening the pelvic floor muscles, which in turn supports urinary and sexual function. These exercises are particularly beneficial for men as they age, as they help improve circulation and muscle control in the pelvic area. However, it is equally important to acknowledge that not all men can or should engage in regular self-stimulation, especially if they have been diagnosed with severe prostate conditions like advanced cancer or acute inflammation. In these cases, the prostate and surrounding tissues may be highly sensitive, making self-stimulation uncomfortable or even painful. For men dealing with such conditions, it is vital to consult a healthcare specialist to determine the safest way to manage sexual activity. A professional can provide tailored guidance on whether and how self-stimulation might fit into a broader treatment or recovery plan without exacerbating the condition. From a psychological perspective, concerns around the impact of masturbation on prostate health can also weigh heavily on many men's minds. Anxiety and worry about whether self-stimulation might worsen a health condition are completely valid feelings. and they should be addressed with care and understanding. These fears often stem from misinformation or social stigmas surrounding sexuality, especially for older adults. The good news is that these concerns can often be alleviated through education, open communication, and professional guidance. Experts emphasize the importance of reframing self-stimulation as a form of self-care, a way to nurture both the body and mind, rather than associating it with guilt or shame. When viewed through this lens, masturbation becomes a positive, affirming practice that contributes to a healthy relationship with one's own body. Understanding that sexuality is a fundamental part of human well-being, regardless of age, can help men embrace this aspect of themselves without fear or hesitation. For those with specific health concerns, consulting a trusted doctor can provide invaluable clarity. A healthcare provider can offer personalized advice, address any lingering fears, and explain how self-stimulation might be safely integrated into a broader strategy for maintaining sexual and overall health. This kind of professional support can be empowering, allowing men to continue enjoying an active and fulfilling intimate life without compromising their health or recovery. At its core, the practice of self-stimulation is not just about physical benefits. It is also about fostering a deeper connection with oneself. It is a way to honor the body's needs, release stress, and embrace the natural rhythms of human sexuality. Combined with healthy lifestyle choices, self-stimulation can be a vital tool for promoting both physical and emotional well-being. By approaching this practice with openness, care, and guidance, men can ensure that they are taking thoughtful steps toward living a healthier, more satisfying life. In conclusion, masturbation or self-stimulation can be a healthy and meaningful practice for men over 50, including those navigating prostate issues, provided there are no specific medical contraindications. When embraced moderately and consciously, this practice can offer numerous benefits for both mental and physical health, serving as a way to reconnect with the body, reduce stress, and even support specific aspects of prostate health. For many, it's not just about physical gratification, but also about nurturing a relationship with oneself. Relationship that can often become neglected with age or health challenges. If you are still watching this video and find these lessons useful, please comment number 1 below to let me know that you are still watching this video with me. One of the most significant aspects of self-stimulation is its ability to foster self-awareness and self-care. Life changes as we grow older, and with those changes can come shifts in how we view our bodies and our sexuality. Masturbation provides an opportunity to embrace and accept these changes, and to recognize that our capacity for intimacy and pleasure doesn't vanish with age. It evolves. For many men, self-stimulation becomes a way to explore these new dynamics in a private, judgment-free space, helping to rebuild confidence and reaffirm their sense of vitality. From a physical health perspective, the benefits of moderate masturbation for men over 50 are well documented. Studies have shown that regular ejaculation can help alleviate some symptoms associated with prostate enlargement, such as urinary discomfort. This is achieved through the release of tension in the prostate gland and the expulsion of accumulated fluids and compounds that, if left unchecked, could contribute to discomfort or inflammation. These findings highlight the potential of self-stimulation as a complementary measure in promoting prostate health. While it's important to understand that masturbation is not a cure-all for prostate issues, its role in maintaining healthy function within the reproductive system is undeniable. It's also worth noting that self-stimulation supports mental health by encouraging the release of feel-good hormones like dopamine and oxytocin, which can help alleviate stress, improve mood, and combat feelings of loneliness. This is particularly significant for older men, who may face increased social isolation due to retirement, loss of a partner, or changes in family dynamics. In this sense, Masturbation isn't just about physical pleasure. It's a form of emotional care, offering comfort, connection, and a reminder that intimacy and self-love are always accessible. To maximize the benefits of self-stimulation, it's essential to integrate this practice into a broader framework of healthy habits. A balanced diet, regular physical activity, and exercises like Kegels, which strengthen the pelvic floor muscles, can all enhance prostate health and overall well-being. These habits work together to support the body's natural functions and promote longevity, ensuring that self-care practices like masturbation are part of a holistic approach to health. At the same time, it's crucial to recognize that not all men will benefit equally from self-stimulation. For those with severe prostate conditions, such as advanced cancer or acute inflammation, self-stimulation might not be advisable. In these cases, the prostate and surrounding tissues can be extremely sensitive, making the act uncomfortable or even harmful. Men facing such challenges should consult their healthcare providers for personalized advice. A specialist can provide invaluable guidance on how to navigate sexual activity safely, ensuring it does not interfere with treatment or recovery. These conversations, while sometimes uncomfortable to initiate, are vital for maintaining a sense of control and understanding over one's health. The psychological dimension of self-stimulation also deserves attention. Many men worry about whether engaging in this practice could worsen their condition or lead to new health issues. Such fears are completely natural, especially when dealing with illnesses or navigating the uncertainties of aging. Experts emphasize the importance of reframing masturbation as a form of self-care rather than something associated with guilt or negative stigmas. This shift in perspective can help men embrace their sexuality as a positive and natural part of life, regardless of age or health status. Open and honest conversations with medical and sexual health professionals are essential in this context. By seeking professional guidance, men can address their concerns, dispel misconceptions, and receive tailored advice that aligns with their unique needs. A trusted doctor or specialist can provide the reassurance and knowledge needed to maintain a healthy and fulfilling sexual life, even in the face of medical challenges. Beyond the practical and health-related benefits, self-stimulation offers something deeply personal and empowering: a connection to oneself. It's an opportunity to honor the body, to recognize its capacity for pleasure, and to celebrate its resilience. In a world that often marginalizes or stigmatizes sexuality in later life, embracing practices like masturbation is an act of defiance and self-respect. It's a declaration that intimacy and self-love are not bound by age, but rather enriched by experience. Sexuality is a fundamental part of human life, and taking care of this aspect of oneself is a powerful way to maintain a sense of vitality and purpose. Self-stimulation is not just a practice for the body, it's a practice for the soul, reminding us of our inherent worth and capacity for joy. For men over 50, it can serve as a bridge to self-acceptance, a tool for managing health, and a source of comfort in times of change. In summary, masturbation can be a healthy and enriching practice for men over 50, provided it aligns with their individual health needs and circumstances. When approached with mindfulness and care, it offers a path to better physical health, emotional well-being, and deeper self-connection. As always, seeking advice from medical and sexual health professionals can help tailor this practice to each individual's unique journey, ensuring it is safe, beneficial, and affirming. Sexuality is a lifelong gift, and nurturing it is one of the many ways we can continue to celebrate and honor ourselves at every stage of life. Thank you for watching and spending your time with us today. We've covered so much valuable information about the benefits of self-stimulation, particularly for men over 50, and its impact on physical, mental, and emotional well-being. From understanding how it supports prostate health, to learning how it can reconnect us with our bodies and improve our overall quality of life. There's a lot to take away from this discussion. Now, we want to hear from you. What's one thing you've learned from this video that you'll bring into practice in your own life? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear how this information resonates with you. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Your support helps us continue creating content that informs, inspires, and empowers. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.